business owners, do you understand the two parts of a BWC premium audit? Stay tuned as I explain about the second part. Has the payroll been reported correctly?
Welcome to this episode of Increased Profitability Through Strategic Workers' Comp Management with your host, Bonnie Frazier.
Think of the audit as having two parts. Are the company's premium rates correct? And is the reported payroll correct? This session is about verifying the reported payroll. The audit letter should tell you the policy year the audit will cover, which is usually the last year in which you reported your true-up payroll. Have copies of the most recent federal tax returns that cover the audit period. It's not unusual if the most recent tax year hasn't been completed yet, and the auditor shouldn't get fussed about it. The auditor will ask to see the quarterly returns you file with the Ohio Job and Family Services. It's so much easier to say unemployment comp, that list every employee name and social security number. The auditor will ask questions about the job duties of the employees listed and compare the payroll of the similar employees to the payroll you reported for each manual class when you did your true-up. They're making sure you aren't putting all your employees in the least expensive category to lower your premiums. The auditor will ask to see copies of all 1099 forms and will quiz you about what each person did when they worked for you. Don't classify all your employees as independent contractors, even if your accountant suggests it. This could cost you a lot of money if they really are employees and you should have been withholding taxes, paying premiums, etc. If you are in construction or have construction manual classes, the auditor will check if you have properly applied the construction cap. This is another program the BWC has to help keep your premiums manageable. Here are your takeaways. Cooperate with the auditor. They just might save you money on your premiums. Don't deliberately misclassify employees, and ask the auditor if you aren't sure. An independent TPA like ActuComp can advise you before and during the audit, especially if the audit results will impact your group rating eligibility. So, call 440-933-6601 to start a conversation about how to get the workers' comp monkey off your back.
Thanks for watching Increased Profitability Through Strategic Workers' Comp Management with Bonnie Frazier. For more information, visit actucomp-ohio.com.